Massage Chairs. For this video, I want to feature the Iyashi state-of-the-art remote control. What's so special about this remote is its user-friendly functions and customizable options. To operate the remote, you must first select the on-off button. To navigate about the remote, you use the center circle, pressing the middle OK button to select, and the up and down, side-to-side options to choose what you're looking for. Click the auto program to start one of the 6 automated modes: recovery, extend, relax, refresh, upper auto, and lower auto. Recovery is recommended for those who work to relieve tiredness and recover from vigor. Extend is great for people who are sitting in a position all day, so they get to stretch fully and recover their flexibility. Relax is great for early morning or noon leisure massages to generate muscle energy. The refresh program is great for relieving the pains in the neck, back, and waist, combining with the semi-auto mode. It can ease pain effectively with focusing the massage. Upper and lower auto programs are good for massaging different parts of the body. If you choose not to select any of these auto programs, the next choice is the manual option. So to get back, we go to select menu, and we go to manual. Selecting mode, you get to select from 6 different massage techniques: kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, sync, and rhythm. You also can select to go down, again on the center button, and to the side. You get to select from a whole massage, a partial, or a point massage. You get to select the width, whether it's wide, medium, or narrow, and as well as from 6 different speeds. To go back, we again select the menu option. There's also other customization options on the LED screen. We then go down, again using the central pad, to airbags. You get to select from a full airbag system, just the arms and shoulders, your back and waist, your legs and feet, or from your glutes. To go down, you can also select the force, one of 5 different strengths on the airbags. To go back, select menu. You can select to turn the heat on or off. Back on the menu screen, you also can choose to turn on the reflexology rollers. You get to select from 3 different speeds on this option. Lastly, on the display screen, you can choose from settings. You get to choose from a 10, 20, or 30-minute massage. You get to select from the different languages. And you also have the capability of turning on the Bluetooth sound, so you can choose what music you're listening to during your massage. Outside of the LED display, you can jump right to some of these customization options. So selecting the auto button, it brings you right to the 6 automated programs, so you don't have to go through the menu option. Here you get to select where the shoulder roller position is. You also get to choose from the left side and the right side the back adjust and the feet adjustment. This center button on the bottom is to turn on the 0 gravity. And the last 2 buttons on the right and left are for your feet extend and feet retract options. If you have any more questions regarding the Iyashi's remote control, feel free to visit our website at InfinityMassageChairDeals.com. And for any sale inquiries, contact any of our authorized dealers.